I'm Nicoletta Mino, and today I'm going to bring you 3 new products under 2 minutes. First up, Littelfuse's QS series fuses. That's a mouthful. The QS series fuses are designed to protect semiconductor devices. These compact, fast-acting fuses quickly respond to faults, extending product life and reducing heat damage. They're perfect for power converters, EV chargers, and UPS systems, meeting global standards for reliability. Next up, STMicroelectronics BrightSense ecosystem. The new BrightSense ecosystem makes developing advanced camera systems a lot easier. With plug-and-play hardware and software, these global shutter sensors capture fast-moving objects without distortion. They're ideal for factory automation, AR/VR, robotics, and they enhance performance even in low-light situations. And then there's ROHM's new shunt resistors. The latest shunt resistors in the PMR 100 series pack 5 watts of power into tiny sizes, making them great for automotive and industrial use. These resistors offer precise current detection and operate reliably even in high temperatures, all helping to miniaturize and improve various electronics applications. Those were your top 3 products in under 2 minutes. Come back, we'll have more.